Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh. Hi, I will unbox the Space Gray 2019 256GB, 10.5-inch iPad Air. This iPad Air brings more of our most powerful technologies to more people than ever. The A12 Bionic chip with neural engine, a 10.5-inch Retina display with True Tone, support for Apple Pencil and the Smart Keyboard. And at just 1 pound and 6.1 millimeters thin, carrying all that power is effortless. It is really light. Everything you need in just a pound. iPad Air features a large 10.5-inch Retina display, while remaining extremely portable and perfect for getting things done anywhere. It's thin and light and has advanced wireless connectivity. Apple claims it gives you up to 10 hours of battery life. iPad Air can go all day on a single charge. It is very powerful. The A12 Bionic chip with neural engine enables a remarkable level of power and intelligence. It uses real-time machine learning to transform the way you experience photos, gaming, augmented reality, and more. With all this power, you can edit a video, create a beautiful presentation, design a 3D model, stream your favorite show, or do all of those things at once. Blazing fist graphics for games and apps. A 4-core graphics engine in the A12 Bionic chip delivers amazing performance for incredible augmented reality experiences, photorealistic effects in 3D games, and stunning graphics within apps. The immersive 10.5-inch Retina display with wide color lets you see photos, videos, and games in vivid, true-to-life detail. And no matter where you take iPad Air, True Tone, high brightness, and an anti-reflective coating give you the best viewing experience. The front and back cameras on iPad Air let you take stunning photos and 1080p HD videos. But you can also do much more. Make a group FaceTime call, scan a document, sign it, and send it back, or create new worlds by using the camera for augmented reality experiences. Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh.